Imagine this for a moment. A single humble spice that has been resting quietly in your kitchen for years, maybe holding the key to something you deeply miss. Sleeping through the night without constant, exhausting trips to the bathroom. For many seniors across America and India, broken sleep feels like an unavoidable part of aging, something they are told to accept without question. But what if that belief is incomplete? What if chewing a familiar, gentle spice for just 60 seconds before bed could calm your bladder, relax your nervous system, and help restore the deep healing sleep you thought was lost forever? Sleep is not simply about feeling rested in the morning. Sleep is when your brain repairs memory, your heart resets its rhythm, your immune system gathers strength, and your body quietly heals itself. When frequent nighttime urination wakes you 2 or 3 times every night, those vital repairs are interrupted again and again, leading to fatigue, foggy thinking, irritability, and even a higher risk of dangerous falls. At Golden Rest Guide, we believe seniors deserve rest that restores, not rest that frustrates. And today you are about to learn how something simple, natural, and overlooked may become your quiet ally once again. As we grow older, the body changes in subtle but powerful ways. One of the most important changes involves a hormone called vasopressin, which helps your kidneys slow urine production at night. When you were younger, vasopressin rose naturally in the evening, allowing your bladder to stay calm for 6 or 7 uninterrupted hours. After the age of 60, however, this hormone often declines, and the kidneys continue filtering fluid almost as actively as they do during the day. The result is simple but disruptive. More urine is produced at the very hours when your body desperately needs rest. At the same time, the bladder itself becomes more sensitive. Years ago, it could comfortably hold a full amount of fluid before alerting the brain. Now, even a small amount may trigger an urgent signal that says, "Wake up now." This does not mean your bladder is broken. It means the threshold has changed. What once felt normal now creates frustration, confusion, and interrupted sleep. Many seniors quietly feel betrayed by their own bodies during the very hours meant for peace. Daily habits often make this worse without us realizing it. A couple of glasses of water with dinner, a bowl of soup after sunset, or a comforting cup of warm milk close to bedtime all feel harmless, yet each adds extra liquid at exactly the wrong time. The kidneys, already less efficient at night, keep working, and the bladder fills when it should be resting. At Golden Rest Guide, we hear stories like this every day. A retired gentleman in Texas who believed his restless nights were simply the price of turning 70, or a grandmother in Kerala who assumed frequent washroom trips were inevitable. Both eventually discovered that age alone was not the problem. It was timing, routine, and habits that quietly worked against them. With gentle adjustments, their nights became calmer, their mornings lighter, and their hope slowly returned. Aging is not a punishment. Your body is still listening. There's a humble spice that has traveled through generations, resting quietly on kitchen shelves around the world, often overlooked despite its quiet strength. That spice is fennel. Known for its gentle sweetness and soothing aroma, fennel seeds have long been used in traditional kitchens without much attention to their deeper benefits. When chewed slowly for about 60 seconds before bed, fennel does something remarkable for the aging body. It calms bladder irritation, relaxes smooth muscles, eases hidden tension, and signals the nervous system that it is safe to rest. Timing is everything. When taken too early, the effect fades before sleep begins. When taken too late, digestion interferes with relaxation. But taken about 1 hour before bedtime, fennel begins its quiet work, offering seniors the confidence to lie down without fear of another restless night. Science helps explain why this works so gently. Fennel seeds contain natural oils rich in calming compounds and antioxidants that reduce mild inflammation. In many older adults, the bladder lining becomes irritated and sends false urgency signals to the brain. These compounds soothe the bladder wall, reduce unnecessary contractions, and help restore balance. Fennel also relaxes smooth muscles in the urinary tract, easing pressure and calming overactive signals. In simple terms, chewing fennel teaches the bladder to remain calm, allowing the mind to drift into deeper sleep. For many seniors, this means fewer nighttime awakenings, steadier heart rhythm, clearer thinking, and brighter mornings. Culturally, Fennel carries a quiet story. In American kitchens, it often sits unused, treated as an exotic spice only brought out for special recipes. Many elders have it without realizing its gentle potential. In India, fennel is commonly offered after meals, yet often taken too early to help with sleep. This difference teaches us something important. Having a remedy nearby does not always mean using it wisely. Awareness and timing make all the difference. At Golden Rest Guide, we believe wisdom is not about complexity, but about understanding when and how the body responds best. Using fennel correctly begins with quality. Choose firm seeds with a soft green color and a mild, sweet aroma. Avoid dull, faded, or musty seeds, as moisture and age reduce effectiveness and may irritate sensitive systems. Store them in a dry, airtight container away from sunlight. About 1 hour before bed, place a small pinch, no more than half a teaspoon, in your mouth and chew slowly. Do not rush. Let the natural oils release. Breathe calmly. Allow the day to fade. After about 60 seconds, swallow gently. Many seniors describe this as a peaceful nightly ritual, a quiet signal that the day is complete. Care is important. More is not better. Large amounts may upset digestion or lower blood pressure too quickly. Seniors taking medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or chronic conditions should always consult their doctor before making fennel a nightly habit. Fennel is not a replacement for medical care. It is a companion that works alongside wise habits. Common mistakes reduce its benefit. Drinking a full glass of water with fennel fills the bladder again. Pairing fennel with salty or spicy foods irritates the bladder lining. Expecting fennel to fix late sodas, heavy dinners, or long nights of screen time leads to disappointment. Fennel works best when supported by lighter evenings, steady daytime hydration, and respect for the body's rhythm. Beyond sleep, fennel quietly supports digestion, easing bloating and discomfort that many seniors accept as normal. It gently supports circulation, helping the heart and easing daily tension. Its antioxidants protect the brain and heart from gradual stress-related damage. These are not overnight miracles, but steady steps toward comfort and dignity in later years. Simple habits strengthen these benefits. A short morning walk helps move excess fluid out of the legs early. Sleeping on the left side reduces bladder pressure. Light clothing in a cool room prevent nighttime thirst. A few minutes of deep breathing before bed calms the nervous system. These small acts cost nothing, yet they guide the body back toward balance. At Golden Rest Guide, we share stories of hope because they remind us what is possible. Couples in their 70s rediscover 6 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Grandmothers return to morning gatherings with renewed energy. These changes do not come from force, but from gentle consistency and care. As we close, remember this truth. Healing does not always arrive through pills or hospitals. Sometimes it comes from listening more closely to your body and using what nature has already provided. A small seed, taken with intention and wisdom, can help restore calm nights and brighter mornings. May your rest deepen, your mornings lighten, and your confidence return. If this message resonated with you, share your story in the comments. Subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and walk this path of better sleep with us. Sometimes one small seed of understanding can change an entire season of life.